So guys, I'm going to show you all the shopping I did in Amritsar within 5,000.
Guys, welcome to my channel, another day, another vlog, and today is the part 2 of my Amritsar series, and I'm going to show you the complete shopping that I've done from Amritsar. So let me take you through it. So firstly I'm going to show you the souvenirs, the accessories, and followed by the dress materials which I bought. And यार पंजाब गए तो पंजाबी जुत्तियाँ तो बनती है और फुलकारी दुपट्टे भी तो बनते हैं, तो वो भी मैं लेके आई थी. I'm going to show you everything. So let's start off with the earrings first. Firstly I'm going to show you the earrings first. See these earrings, they're really a cute little pair which I bought for 60 rupees. And it was really worth it. Then I got these earrings which was again for 60 rupees. So this I bought from the market which is just near the Golden Temple. So this was a really good buy. I really liked it. Then I got these earrings, these jhumkas basically. Then I bought some bangles. It was around I think 420 या 400 कुछ तो था. तो ये है वो जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारे हैं. And if you're wearing some heavy kind of Indian wear, then these bangles will really go on them well. And then I even bought these earrings. These were for around 40 rupees. And then I got these were also for around 60 rupees. The entire bag of these accessories was really nice. I got it for a good rate too. And then as a Golden Temple remembrance, I have bought this. This is basically a magnet and you get it for 50 rupees. Golden Temple के बाहर ये लोग 60, 100 भी बेचते हैं, पर आपको वहाँ पे बार्गेन करना होगा. 50 रुपीज़ में मिल जाता है. तो गाइस गोल्डन टेम्पल के बाहर ये कड़ा भी मिलते हैं. तो दिस इज़ द लाइटर वन वर्जन विच आई बॉट. यू कैन इवन बाई दी हेवियर वन एंड दैट कॉस्ट अराउंड 100 रुपीज़. सो उससे भी भारी वाले मिलते हैं, बट इट डिपेंड ऑन विच वन यू वांट. सो दिस यू नीड टू बार्गेन अगेन बिकॉज हर जगह पे प्राइस चेंज होता रहता है. तो जैसे ही आप यू स्टार्ट वॉकिंग एंड यू स्टार्ट आस्किंग एवरी शॉपकीपर, तो आपको प्राइस का अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा एंड देन यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली ब्रिंग दिस टू. सो गाइज आई इवन बॉट दिस वॉलेट and this is like a very Indianized one, and this is completely handmade. As you see all these things over here, this is all handmade and it is really nice. Like if you see, it's very spacious inside. That is, and there are 3 compartments to it, so it's really big and you can carry everything in it. So if you're going to wear some ethnic wear, then I think this is the perfect buy because this is really going to go well with ethnic wear. So this costed me around 120 rupees and it's a totally amazing buy. It is totally worth it. Next I'm going to take you to the materials which I had bought. So this was I'll just show you this. So this is a material जो ऐसा है. This material is semi-stitched. You need to stitch it completely, and this neck you can adjust. You can even remove. It's a detachable neck. So as you see here, the stitching can be removed and you can remove this neck and make another design for yourself too. So guys, next the things that I have bought are these dupattas. ये वाला and these ones. These are the fulkari dupattas. But this one, if you see this one, this is the machine stitched dupatta. Because as you see inside, you can see all these threadings, the bit which are out. So ये जो है ये machine stitched वाला है, which cost around like 250-300. Then we have this one. ये तो बहुत ही प्यारा दुपट्टा है. This one. This is completely handmade. And it has good stitches too at the side. कोई भी loose stitch नहीं है इसमें. It looks really pretty. And this costed me around 500 after bargaining. 500 to 600. I think 600 it was. So mostly after bargaining 600 मैंने pay किया इसके लिए. But they are really pretty. So guys, I have bought few more materials and I have bought certain materials for my mom. So as you see, this is the pair which I bought for her. तो ये तो सिर्फ मटेरियल था, अभी मम्मी ने स्टिच किया. दैट इज़ व्हाई इट लुक्स दिस वे. सो दिस इज़ द दुपट्टा एंड दिस इज़ द पीस. दिस इज़ द कलर एंड इट बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है ये. तो आई विल शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स बिकॉज वी हैव स्टिच दिस पीस एंड बहुत ही प्यारा स्टिचिंग निकला है इसका लुक्स. एंड ये जो पीस है इसका पूरा शो ये दुपट्टा में है. तो दुपट्टा इज रियली प्रिटी. एज यू सी all the show lies in the dupatta is like this. जो बहुत ही प्यारा है. So for this material I paid around 700 rupees and it was completely worth my buy. बहुत ही प्यारा है. मम्मी को तो ये बहुत ही पसंद आया. There are 2 more materials which I bought. This is a very subtle and a very different color which I don't have and that is why I thought of buying. So this cost me 800 rupees. But बहुत ही लाइट वेट है ये and बहुत ही subtle है. दुपट्टा ऐसा है जो बहुत ही प्यारा है. This is another material which I have bought, but after opening the packet I think like there are chances that this material may even tear, high chances of it. So ये वाला मैं स्टिच करके आई थिंक एटलीस्ट 2-3 यूज़ तो कर पाऊँगी, so around 800 rupees. But the other materials were better in comparison to this one. Now we come to the Punjabi juttis. तो मैंने तो जुत्तीज़ बहुत सारी खरीद ली है, मुझे तो अच्छा प्राइस पे मिला. सो दे हैव द पंजाबी जुत्तीज़ रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 150 to 1000 bucks. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन विच वन यू बॉट. तो मैंने तो 300 वाले लाया था, ये वाला था जो बहुत ही प्यारे है ये. सो दीज ऑल आर द काइंड ऑफ फुलकारी डिज़ाइंस वंस. So basically they are multi-color. So if you are having any matching, if you are wearing an Indian when you want something matching, then ये तरीके के जूते में बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स है जो आप खरीद सकते हैं. दिस इज़ लाइक द फुलकारी पैटर्न. ये मुझे बहुत ही प्यारा लगा जो मैंने मम्मी को दिया. द बेस्ट एंड दे आर रियली कम्फर्टेबल एंड यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन एनीथिंग. इट्स लाइक दैट अमेजिंग. सिंपल ब्लैक एंड गोल्डन पेयर जो बहुत ही प्यारा है. जो ये आई डोंट नो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बर्ड या पिकअप जो भी है, इसका डिज़ाइन मुझे बहुत ही प्यारा लगा, कुछ अलग सा. सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई बॉट दिस. So guys, this comes to an end of the vlog 2 of the Amritsar series, and I shall see you in my 3rd series. So this is the first time I've come in person on my channel and I've been speaking this long. So if you like the content I make, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and please do share and please support me. Thank you and see you in my next vlog.